English Masters presents Jobs Vocabulary. A teacher. A teacher. A teacher explains new things. A doctor. A doctor. A doctor helps sick people. A nurse. A nurse. A nurse cares for patients. A driver. A driver. A driver takes people to places. A cook. A cook. A cook makes meals. A chef. A chef. A chef prepares restaurant food. A waiter. A waiter. A waiter brings food and drinks. A waitress. A waitress. A waitress brings food to tables. A farmer. A farmer. A farmer works on the land. A builder. A builder. A builder works with houses. A cleaner. A cleaner. A cleaner keeps places clean. A janitor. A janitor. A janitor looks after a building. A police officer. A police officer. A police officer keeps people safe. A firefighter. A firefighter. A firefighter saves people. A dentist. A dentist. A dentist looks after teeth. A vet. A vet. A vet helps sick animals. A shop assistant. A shop assistant. A shop assistant sells things. A cashier. A cashier. A cashier works with money. An office worker. An office worker. An office worker works with documents. A manager. A manager. A manager leads a team. A secretary. A secretary. A secretary organizes meetings. An accountant. An accountant. An accountant works with numbers. An engineer. An engineer. An engineer solves technical problems. A mechanic. A mechanic. A mechanic works with machines. An electrician. An electrician. An electrician works with electricity. A plumber. A plumber. A plumber works with water systems. A painter. A painter. A painter makes walls look new. A designer. A designer. A designer plans how things look. A programmer. A programmer. A programmer works with computers. An IT specialist. An IT specialist. An IT specialist solves computer problems. A security guard. A security guard. A security guard controls entrances. A soldier. A soldier. A soldier protects the country. A journalist. A journalist. A journalist collects information. A photographer. A photographer. A photographer works with a camera. An actor. An actor. An actor plays different people. An actress. An actress. An actress plays roles on stage. A singer. A singer. A singer performs on stage. A musician. A musician. A musician performs music. A dancer. A dancer. A dancer moves to music. A writer. A writer. A writer creates stories. A translator. A translator. A translator changes one language into another. A tour guide. A tour guide. A tour guide gives information to tourists. A pilot. A pilot. A pilot controls an aircraft. A flight attendant. A flight attendant. A flight attendant looks after passengers. A sailor. A sailor. A sailor works on a ship. A librarian. A librarian. A librarian helps people find books. A scientist. A scientist. A scientist looks for answers. A researcher. A researcher. A researcher collects data. A coach. A coach. A coach helps people improve. An athlete. An athlete. An athlete competes in competitions. Subscribe for more English. Join English Masters.